To set up automatic payments for a credit card, start by opening the bank's website and locating the login form on the left side of the main page. Enter your user ID and password. Then click to sign in. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard, where you can view your checking and credit accounts. From the top horizontal menu, select the Pay and Transfer option, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. In this menu, choose View Payment Management or a similar option that allows you to manage your payments. On the Pay and Transfer page, click on Pay Bills, then select Go to Bill Pay to proceed. On the Payment Center page, find the account for which you want to set up automatic payments. Below the account information, you should see a Set Up Auto Pay link. Click on this to begin the setup process. In the Manage Auto Pay dialog that appears, select the account from which you want to make payments. Choose the earliest delivery date as the payment date, and then select the payment amount. Paying the statement balance is recommended to avoid interest charges. Finally, click Start Sending Payments to confirm the setup. After completing these steps, you will see a confirmation that automatic payment has been set up, at which point you can click Close to exit the setup process.